We are pleased to show you the 2013 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, privacy glass. Inside you'll find cruise control, digital clock. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Come take a test drive today.